What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. Today I want to introduce you to the LG XBOOMGO PL series. Now these are the latest 2020 portable Bluetooth speakers by LG. Last year we had the PK series and this year we have the newly designed PL series. And once again we have three different models to choose from. So the smallest speaker in this series is the LG XBOOMGO PL2. And the next one up is the LG XBOOMGO PL5, which is a little bigger in size and also more powerful with some extra features, which we will go through in a bit. And the largest and most powerful speaker in this series is the LG XBOOMGO PL7. So LG have once again teamed up with the British audio pioneers Meridian Technology to bring you this incredible new lineup of portable Bluetooth speakers. So without any further ado, let's just get them all unboxed and see what they look like. So inside the box you of course get the Bluetooth speaker and a small bag which contains your user manuals and a USB Type-C charging cable, and that's the same for all three models. Now all three of these speakers have similar features and are all tuned by Meridian Audio, but as expected slightly different specifications based on the size of each unit. Build quality wise, all three have the same rubberized plastic finish going all the way around with the XBOOM logo engraved on the back. And the smallest speaker also has lanyard holes, so you can actually hook it up with your own wrist strap. Now the features do vary between all three models and I will be going through them with you, and you may have already noticed the color changing LED lights on both PL5 and PL7 models. So first of all, let's check out the buttons and controls on each speaker. Now the smallest one, PL2, has power button, Bluetooth pairing button, you've got volume control and skip tracks, play and pause and sound boost mode, which will give you a noticeable boost to the sound volume and bass. So we have exactly the same button controls on all three speakers, and if we compare the PL5 to the PL2 you can see same controls, but I guess more spaced out as it's a bigger speaker. And the main noticeable difference between the large speaker and the small speaker is the customizable LED lights. So the PL2 does not have any LEDs, and also on the back there is no latch on the smaller speaker. And the latch on the PL2 is actually found on the side. So there is an arrow to tell you exactly where to open it up from, and inside you will see a reset hole, a dual wireless link button, 3.5mm AUX and your USB Type-C charging port. So both large speakers have a latch on the back, behind which you will find three buttons. The first one is your multi-wireless link, so you can party link up to 100 of these speakers together for an amazing party sound. The next button is your dual link, so you can link two speakers together to give you a dedicated left and right channel. The third button is for your LEDs, so you can toggle between the different presets, and you can also customize the LED lights using the smartphone app. The lights can also be completely switched off using this same button. Now there is also a reset hole, a USB Type-C charging port and a 3.5mm AUX. So here are all the specifications side by side. The smallest PL2 will give you a 10-hour battery life, the PL5 will give you 18 hours and the PL7 will give you a massive 24-hour battery life, and all three models are also IPX5 weatherproof rated. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and test out the sounds and see how good these speakers really are. Beginning with the PL2. So I've just paired up the PL2 speaker and this is what the smartphone app looks like. It will show you the battery level and give you options for wireless party link, Bluetooth pairing and sound boost mode. You can also play your existing music library from within the smartphone. let's play music on the PL5 and hear what that sounds like. Totally switched the power off. Now we are testing out the PL7. So this is the biggest one from the bunch. I'm expecting a thumping sound from this one as well. Now I have paired up my iPad Pro. We are still in wireless party link mode with the PL5 and PL7. So let's go ahead and play some trailers.
Oh no, this isn't about the father. This is about the son, Artemis Fowl.
This room is 5 feet longer on the inside than it is on the outside.
How does that work?
It doesn't. But isn't that stealing?
How is that stealing if we're stealing it from ourselves, dude?
The leader calls himself Oricon. Fights alongside a witch.
No survivors.
A hero's just someone who doesn't give up. Your dad said that.
So there you have it, guys. That was the latest LG XBOOMGO PL series of portable Bluetooth speakers. Now I'm really liking the design. You have an IPX5 weatherproof rating. Sound quality is amazing on all 3 units, although a slightly different experience from each. Now the PL2 actually surprised me the most, as I did not expect a 5-watt speaker to give me that type of powerful sound. My sound meter peaked at around 85 to 86 decibels, which is incredible for a 5-watt speaker. Now I must add, Meridian Audio have done an amazing job with the sound boost mode. You can actually hear the difference when pressing sound boost. Music and bass immediately gets boosted, and you can definitely hear and feel the difference. All three speakers support wireless party link, and you can link up to 100 of these speakers together. Just imagine what that would sound like. Now, there was a noticeable difference in the power both larger speakers provided, and the bass was also pretty good. Now, the smallest speaker naturally had the least bass from the three, but it was still surprisingly loud for its size. It's quite hard to choose a favorite when you have three outstanding portable speakers in front of you. Also, it would be a great idea to pick up any two of these speakers, pair them up with each other to give you an amazing true wireless stereo experience, which you can use anywhere you like wirelessly. And I also love the fact that all three speakers use standard USB Type-C to charge, so no power bricks to carry around. And you're also getting a decent battery life from each unit. So with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check any of these products out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Which speaker would you like to get your hands on and why? Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.